Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell. Okay, today's videos we are going to do BoxyCharm Luxe box unboxing. Very heavy. The last time I have the Luxe box was about 3 months ago, so I can't wait to open this baby up with you and see if this worth the money. Supposedly value up to $505. We'll see. Hello everyone! Happy holiday! I'm Steve, founder of Yibu Beauty. I want to say thank you so much for your support of my skincare brand. And for this holiday and also our first Christmas, we have two amazing holiday gift set I want to share with you. And let's get started. The first one you're looking at here is our 3-piece glow set. In here, you'll get full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our brand new rose quartz roller. Together they are $104, but wait, for this holiday season we are offering at $59. Plus we are offering 4 inches free installment. The second set I want to show you is my favorite set. It is our 4-piece dream set. So here you're getting the full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our iconic multitasking tinted moisturizer. Lots of people using this, including professional makeup artists, using on the set. It's really great tinted moisturizer, more skincare than makeup. Plus you're also getting our brand new rose quartz roller. This altogether add up for $133, but for this holiday you only pay $79. On top of that, we are also offering 4 installment interest-free payments. So check out the link below and pick out your order. We are also offering Yibu gift cards, so it's perfect time to buy a gift for your loved one too. Okay, so the Luxe, little information about the Luxe box in case you don't know this. Luxe box is the most premier box for BoxyCharm subscriptions. It delivers once every 3 months, March, June, September, and December. The box itself costs $59.99. It is a little bit more expensive than the other 2 boxes, but you are getting 8 full-size items. 8! That's a lot. So let's open this. It's pretty heavy. I love when it's heavy. The thing is, when it's heavy, last time they gave me a tumbler. I was like, I don't really need that, but whatever, you know. So let's see. So it says right here, BoxyCharm Luxe box. Okay, I'm put this on too heavy. Let's open this up. So first, they give you this really big card, and obviously each season like different cards represent the season, the theme, and in the back this is all the product description and the pricing right here. So let me put this right here so I know what am I talking about. So this one is by Ofra, On the Glow highlighting and bronzing palette. Oh no, this thing is $149. Why is it so expensive? I mean, it's heavy, but $149. Wow. Okay. Let me show you guys here right now. 6 rounds, and you can use for the bronze, the highlight, and they have different color, different theme. This is nice. Very expensive, $159 for just highlighter. I'm kind of speechless. But anyway, that's the retail for that. Okay, let's look at the next item here. Next item here is by Quiche Satin Sleep Set. It's $39. So the set are, hold on, 1 pillowcase, 1 eye mask, and 1 sleep scrunchie. Satin is known great for the skin. So when you sleep on this material, you have a less chance to get lines and wrinkles on the face. White color, it's off-white colors. So this is the pillowcase, satin. Standard pillowcase, yeah? Okay. And then this is the eye mask. Then the scrunchie for the hair. So it doesn't cause a crease on your hair. So this is nice, very nice. Nice Christmas gift, maybe for my sisters. Okay, the next item right here is by Osteology Detox Treatment Mask. And this baby is a $69. Whoa. So let's see, what is this all about? So you leave this on for 30 minutes and you rinse it off. Wow, 30 minutes is a long time. So you open it, it looks like that. Oh, it's cute. It's kind of like a metal packaging like this. Vegan, cruelty-free. And let's see what this do for the skin here. So the Detox Mask will help to draw out the blackhead and impurity in the skin, clear unclogged pores. That's right. Okay, so it's a black kind of mask. Wait, is this a peel mask? I think it's a peel mask. I'm gonna leave this on a little bit to show you guys because it feels really sticky. So I'm pretty sure this is the peel mask. All right, let's move on to the next item now. Okay, the next. Oh my God! I can't believe this. One size go off. I bought this. This is good. So if you don't know what this is, it's basically makeup dissolve mist. It's actually spray out oil and dissolve the makeup. You just wipe everything off. This is fantastic. How much is this? This is $24. I just bought one for Christmas at Sephora event for travel size. So I'm happy to get this full size here. So what is this? So this one is so pretty. It's by Layer Rose and brush sets. It's retail for $50. Ah, 5 brushes. And it has a really nice handle too. Synthetic brushes. See that? The handle is kind of nice. Okay. So you have your 2 eye, one contour, 2 contour, and eyeshadow. So total 5 brushes. Comes with this nice little card holder. Okay, this is fantastic gift. Fantastic gift for somebody. Okay, let me just put this right here. I have a couple more items I can pull out. Let's pull the smaller one. This is by Pure. It is the fully charged mascara. It has magnetic technology. Oh, why would you want to put mascara with magnetic technology? That's weird. I never heard about magnetic. Usually you hear eyeliners magnetic. So you can use, not eyeliner, liner. So you can use the lashes. I don't like when they put sticker on this kind of stuff because I think it's unnecessary. Because it's like you can't even open it. Full charged mascara. See it real quick. Okay, well this brush, it's okay. Usually you want to give more volumizer. Your brushes should be tighter and longer. To define lashes, you want more shorter individual brush. So interesting. And this baby is $22. Okay, let's see what else we got here. So this is eyeliner, 24-hour waterproof eyeliner by Persona. This is $14. I like this packaging. It's like you feel like a very clean. They sealed it like that. So this is let's see. It's just a simple black eyeliner, but it goes on like a butter, very smooth. Let me show you guys again. Let me do it right here. You see that? It glides. One last item. This is huge. It's by Kate Berkey, and this is Vitamin C Intense Face Moisturizer, and this is $116. The box is very big. You see that? And the stuff is in here. This packaging and color remind me of a Reveal. So let's try this on my hand a little bit. Always need a good vitamin C. Oh, you can see the consistency. It blends in. It has a little light scent, kind of like a green herb, like cucumber scent almost. It feels good. Feels really good. Wow, this is $116. Whoa, this is very expensive. Okay, let's do a quick map right now. See how much does everything cost in here. $480. Not quite to what I say online, but it's still pretty good. So let me know what you think about this particular Luxe box. I think overall I'm really excited for this because I use this. I always like a good moisturizer, but this almost feel like it's absorbing really fast. It's all gone now, and I can't wait to try the Detox Mask. It's still not dry yet. Why does it not say pure off? Oh, it say pure. I don't see it. Let me see. Okay, it is a pure off. That's why you want to wait for 30 minutes. Okay, right here. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Leave the comment below. Let me know if it is worth the money. Bye-bye.